Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we are going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Drive Action Automation for workflows in your SUB account. Once you're in your SUB account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the Pipedrive app and click on it. Click on Install and you click on Allow and Install. There you go. Once your app has been successfully installed, refresh your tab and head to the custom page to access to the interface. You have the documentation. We have the Smart Cure video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We have the app set up here. The app has been connected. No worries. We are going to walk you through on how to connect the app. Head to the account online, click on your profile. Choose Developer Hub. Click on Create an App. Click on Create Private App. Insert the app name here. Paste the redirect URL which we copied here and you click on Save. Toggle on all the scopes of the app and you click on Save. You have access to the client ID. Copy, head back to your SUB account. Click on Start Setup. Paste your client ID here. Copy your client secret. Head back to your SUB account and you paste. Then you click on Complete Setup. Your app has been set and connected. Click Allow and Install. We have a support center where you can create a ticket for our team and as well book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, any notification concerning the app will pop up here. To receive emails or notifications, click the notification button, insert your email and click subscribe. You've now learned how to install and set up your app. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Our support team is available 24/7 to guide you. Thanks so much for watching.